Guys, summer don land oo. Are you still running helter-skelter looking for the garden to go always? Even when you feel like you stay at home because of heat, you be running to go to garden, to the beach, even when you are not yet prepared because of too much of heat. We are currently in summer period. Guys, watch this video from the beginning to the end. You don't know what to do. Then again, guys, without being said, please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel and you still dey have double mind about that, please subscribe. Thank you. So, guys, run no more. I have these fruits and veggies for you. Guys, this kind of fruit you get to be eating toujours. In French, toujours means always, especially now when you feel like you don't want to run helter-skelter going to beach when you are not even well yet prepared for that, or going for a tree where you can receive fresh air. Guys, kindly be putting fruits in the fridge always. I'm not saying going out is not good, especially when you feel like you don't want to go out. That's what I'm talking about. Going out is also good, especially now we are into summer period, so you can go out. But the time you feel like you don't want to go because of heat will chase you outside for you to go eat must. Guys, this is a secret. Kindly grab watermelon and cucumber. Some people don't know that cucumber comes in categories of veggies. I'm just reminding you today because it comes in fruit form, but kind of veggies. So this kind of two fruits and veggies come in 95% water. That's why you don't need to joke with this. So what you get to do, and Grace just found does that, they make it affordable this time. When I go to the market, I notice that this is cheap. I was like, maybe they just want to give us some grace, because of summer, so that you wouldn't have any excuse that I'm not eating fruit. Even the cucumber is the cheapest thing you can buy in the market, followed with vegetable like lettuce veg and other vegetable about. So guys, grab this. It doesn't take time. This one is not that I'm cooking food. Oh, how can I enter kitchen to cook food? They have made it easier for you. Fruits and veggies is the most easiest recipe you can prepare, except when I mean so very fast. Within a couple of 2 minutes you are done, unless you went and start doing another thing. That's why e gonna maybe take like 5 minutes. So guys, for those that don't know how to cut, that's why that we are talking here. Guys, this gonna nourish your body, build your body. You want to still look sweet 16 when you wear your gown, as in your body will be looking tantalizer. Guys, cream can't do this. It's only fruits and veggies can do this. We are not against rubbing cream. Guys, kindly be eating it. You watch yourself, your body and your skin grow. Guys, this is a secret. So we are not making a health claim, but it's very good because it's scientifically proved that we need to be eating fruits and veggies, most especially now that we are in a healthy and summer period. Guys, for those that don't know how I cut this, hopefully you are watching. Despite that you are hearing my voice, you are watching how I manage cutting it. Grab it, wash it with salt. I recommend washing your fruits and veggies with salt because e get why. E come from farm. Not only that it comes from farm, many hands have touched it in the market. Salt doesn't cost you big token. It's just the cheapest thing. So kindly use salt to wash it. Use a sharp knife to slice them. Package it because eyes will firstly eat before the mouth. When you present it very well, guys, gonna lose your appetite in terms of eating it. So that's why that we are talking about this, guys. Let's kindly view nature because there is more movement now, unlike windy period. Like as I said, that's why that I say you don't need to be going out frequent or even when you don't want it. Yes, going out is very, very important. Taking a walkout, it can also help you in this summer period because the fresh air can refresh you as well. It can also help your skin grow as well. So we are not against that. The one I'm talking about is frequently, even when you don't want to go. So the things you get to be eating at home so that you can, mindfully stay in the comfort of your own home, even if you don't want to take a walkout or if you don't want to go out. This is it. Fruit and veggies. You have fridge in your home, kindly fridge them. Put your water there as well. Anything that can help you in this summer. Let me repeat: fruit, water, juice, veggies. So go more on non-starchy food. I think that will help you in this summer period. Guys, view this garden for me. So guys, this is our final stage. Present your fruit very well, despite that it's fruit you are eating, but when you present it very well, I think this is gonna attract you more to eat it, even if when you feel dizzy or uneasy to grab fruit and eat. When you see it in a nice plate, well washed, well clean, it has already beautified you before entering your mouth. So that's why I said kindly be presenting it very well. Put in a nice plate. It's not only when you have visitor you can use your plate. That's why that is fruit. When you common what you eat, that's how you gonna feel how when you are eating it. But when you appreciate what you are about to eat, that's how you gonna feel eating it. So when you are eating it with confidence and the way you present it nicely, guys, you'll be happy eating it, and the things you are happy eating gonna enter your medulla oblongata very, very well. So but if you are not happy eating it, why? Because the plate you use is quite untidy. The table you're staying to eat is untidy as well. Guys, even if that thing is sweet like tomorrow no dey there, it might irritate you not to eat. So that's why we usually preach here: before you eat or you prepare your food, make sure you tidy your table, your plate, make sure everything is neat. Then again, slice it in a better choice. Slice it in an attractive way. So present and decorate it very well. I think hopefully this will help you to eat it to your satisfaction. Okay, guys. So let me repeat, or let me put this here. It's true that we are talking about fruit here, but you can still make it juicy when you don't want to eat it or if your fruit is dry. Thanks for watching and let me know what you think.